The Commodore's Cup is a summer series of ocean races organized by the Halifax River Yacht Club. Several of the races take place on the nearshore course. The nearshore course is 10 nautical miles from racing's north turn in Ponce Inlet to the Daytona Beach Pier. Join us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And, of course, YouTube. Search for Daytona Sailboat Racing.
The Max Smith Starlight Regatta will be the featured race of this year's Commodore's Cup. For additional information, join us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.